All right, let's trade energy on Trading Nation because ExxonMobil and Chevron set to release their earnings on Friday, with crude oil on pace for its best start to a year since 2006. Are either of these names worth your money? Todd Gordon with TradingAnalysis.com, Boris Schlossberg with BK Asset Management. Todd, what do you think? Either of these stocks setting up nicely technically?
Yeah, technically, but I'm actually going to be looking on the short side. I think we're seeing some hesitation up here in the crude oil market. So first thing, I'm ultimately going to wind up in Exxon, but first let me show you crude oil on top of Chevron. You can see just a very nice correlation here between the two through 2017 and 2018. We've begun to see a little weakness in the stock. Crude oil has not yet quite reacted from the 64 to 65 area resistance. If we take a look at the next chart, you're going to see a bit of divergence where these two have made a higher high. Notice what Exxon has done. Exxon has not eclipsed the high from 2016, so we're showing really good underperformance here in Exxon. So if we take a look at the technical specifically, I'm actually looking to be short this guy into earnings. I think this overall market's extended. I think crude's extended. I think the dollar might be bottoming here a little bit. Just a real simple straight trend line. We've begun to fail. I think you got to be a seller into earnings for Exxon.
Okay, wow. Different view there from a lot of bulls. At least you're making a lot of bulls unhappy. Boris Schlossberg, what do you think about Exxon and Chevron?
I think there's still a little bit of juice left in both places because they've been such terrible laggards. And if you come to it from the oil perspective, as I do, and if you come to oil from the currency perspective, I still think the dollar has a tremendous amount of weakness ahead of it. And if it does, that means oil still stays at these levels. And more importantly, if we have this global synchronized economic growth, it really is very, very supportive for oil staying at around 60, maybe even up to 70. All of that, I think, really plays well for both of the names. And at very minimum, they should stay stationary. They're great dividend yields. If the oil does pop up to 70, that's definitely going to give them a spurt, as they've been such underperformers over the last couple of years that the money's going to start flowing in.
Yeah, well, let's watch oil, though, because production has gone up. A lot of rig counts going up, up, up. It takes a few months to work that way through. But I hear you, Boris. I hear you. Todd, a little more negative. Says maybe on the short side's the opportunity, guys. Thank you both very much. And as always, folks, check out the live Trading Nation on CNBC's Power Lunch. I'll see you there as well. Take care.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.